Blackheads are always confusing and tricky. If you have oily and combination skin type, these nasties pop up usually at the worst time and make your skin look dull. We all hate it. So what's the way out? What is the best blackheads remedy and blackhead treatment? The answer lies inside your kitchen. Fast working, super effective, with the goodness of natural ingredients, these remedies have got your back. Green tea mask. Green tea has multiple health benefits, but do you know it helps in blackhead treatment as well? This purifying ingredient is rich in antioxidants that help in removing excess oil and dirt. Here is how you can make a green tea bag mask for blackhead removal at home. Pour yourself a cup of hot water and dip your green tea into it. Let it sit for 60 minutes. Take out the tea bag, let it cool down, and cut it open to release the leaves. Place the leaves in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix it well. Evenly apply this mixture on your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use this twice a week.